Hello students, welcome to my class Standard 10 Science and Technology Paper 1. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, periodic classification of elements. In the last video we have studied two concepts of classification of the elements, of which one was Doberanner's triad and second was Newland's octet. Followed by these two scientists, one more scientist, a Russian scientist, Dmitry Mendel, has attempted the course of classification. He studied chemical and physical properties of all the elements which were known at that time. At that time, there was about 63 elements known to him. He arranged all these elements in increasing order of their atomic masses. And when he arranged these elements according to the physical and chemical properties, he has framed one of the table known as Mendeleev's periodic table, and he stated his periodic law by his observation. He stated that properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. That means element shows the properties which are periodic, means repeats regularly, and this repetition is due to their atomic masses. When he constructed a periodic table which was given in our textbook on the page number 18, table number 2.3, Mendeleev's periodic table, he has constructed 7 vertical columns and named it as groups. Group number 1 to group number 8, and he has also shown the horizontal rows which is known as the periods. When he classified the elements, when he placed the elements in this table, he observed that his classification was accepted by so many peoples due to certain merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. The first was atomic masses of some elements were revised. Say for example, atomic mass of beryllium, which was 14.09, was corrected to 9.4 and it has placed before boron. Second one, Mendeleev has left certain vacant spaces for unknown elements. In the periodic table there was certain vacant spaces. He predicted the properties of certain elements, but he was unknown about their names. He called these elements as Eka boron, having the atomic mass 44, Eka aluminium having the atomic mass 68, Eka silicon atomic mass 72. Later on, these elements were discovered and they are named as scandium, gallium and germanium. So the prediction of the Mendeleev was become correct. Third merit, there was no space to the noble gas, as the noble gases were not discovered till then, but later on, when these noble gases were discovered, they were fitted to the periodic table at the end of the periodic table and named as zero group elements. Along with these merits, there are certain demerits due to which this classification was also discarded. There are certain demerits of the periodic table. First one, there is ambiguity regarding the sequence of cobalt and nickel, as both of them are having a integral mass number which is same. Second one, isotopes of the elements, they are having same chemical properties but different atomic masses, has created certain problems regarding the placement of the isotopes. And third one, a rise in atomic mass. Now, rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform. Means there is no uniform increase in the atomic mass in every element. Hence, this classification was discarded. So the students, the question on this topic will be asked, state the periodic law of Mendel, explain its merits and demerits. So you have to learn this unit at home and write the notes. Thank you.